Manufacturing success was once measured by cost, volume, and speed. Today, the equation is shifting. In Dubai, manufacturing is being structured around connected industrial ecosystems, where long-term value depends on how production, logistics, and infrastructure operate together. Rather than competing on scale alone, the focus is moving towards precision systems, automation, and reliability. Investments across Jafza and Dubai Industrial City reflect a growing emphasis on precision manufacturing, advanced components, and higher value production. The emphasis is shifting from what is manufactured to how it is produced, with automation, digital connectivity, and stronger quality systems shaping modern factory environments. Manufacturing decisions are increasingly becoming strategic rather than cost-driven. This shift is visible in the way industrial zones are now being designed. Dubai Industrial City reflects a move beyond standalone factories towards integrated ecosystems that bring production, logistics, storage, and utilities into one coordinated environment. Direct connectivity to Jebel Ali Port, Al Maktoum International Airport, major road networks, and rail corridors anchors its role within regional and global supply chains. This integration reduces friction and allows manufacturers to scale more efficiently. Within these ecosystems, manufacturing is increasingly technology-led. Automation is driving higher levels of consistency and operational control. Digitally connected systems are improving visibility across workflows and decision-making. Advanced testing and embedded quality systems are reinforcing reliability, particularly for export markets with stricter standards. Beyond production, greater emphasis is being placed on lifecycle value, including predictive maintenance and aftermarket services. Together, these capabilities point to a more resilient industrial model. Recent investments provide clear signals of how Dubai's manufacturing landscape is evolving. IFCO's Thrive facility reflects the shift towards value-added food production, integrating modern process control and quality systems to serve regional and global markets. Unilever's Dubai Personal Care Manufacturing Facility demonstrates how automation and data-led production can be scaled from Dubai to serve Middle East and African markets efficiently. 2.4's lab-grown diamond facility in Jafza represents high-precision, technology-led manufacturing. The company leverages Indian engineering talent while serving India as a key end market, illustrating capability-led collaboration. Pure Ice Cream's operations reflect how temperature-controlled logistics and integrated distribution support regional scale from Dubai. Together, these examples highlight a consistent direction: value, precision, and system-led production. As Dubai's industrial ecosystem evolves, collaboration with India is becoming increasingly capability-led. Indian firms are contributing engineering expertise, automation solutions, and technical depth, aligning skill with infrastructure to support more advanced manufacturing environments. The emphasis is shifting from labor advantage to knowledge advantage. The next phase of manufacturing will favor environments designed not just for production, but for reliability and long-term scale. Dubai's industrial evolution reflects that direction, building high-value ecosystems positioned for sustained global relevance.